Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Fingers. Got a little something special here from went to Best Buy today. I can't stand my laptop keyboard, so I went today. I did a little research beforehand, checked out what's out these days, but did a little research here. I ended up picking up a new keyboard. This is the Logitech. Let me get that in front of the mic here. Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum. They have an older model that is called the Spark, and I looked into that, and apparently that's got like angled keys, and that just seemed like a pain. I'll do the back of the box here. You can check that out. The light's kind of going on right there. But yeah, we're gonna do a quick little unboxing here. Needed a new keyboard, and I've never gotten a mechanical keyboard before. And I checked out all the different ones. I checked out the Corsairs. I checked out the Razors. But yeah, just after reading and listening to all the different ones that are out there, I kind of decided that this one was for me. If you, the clicky keys, if you use that, I mean, to each their own, but whew, don't use that around me. It's annoying. Alright, let's just crank that open here. We'll probably get some more shots with the regular camera here afterwards. Have it all set up. But we're going to talk through the unboxing bit of it. Got a little floppy box here. And, let's see. Got just a plain black box here, outside layer. But yeah, these have linear keys. They're like called G Roamer or something like that. It's like their little proprietary Roamer G. They're like linear tactile keys, so they've got a little bit of a bump thing to them. Not too much. But ooh, that looks nice. It looks good. We open it up here and we just see this beauty. Try to keep it all in there. I mean, that's a pretty good looking keyboard, you gotta say. We got macro keys on the side here. Let's take it out of the plastic so it's not glaring at you. That doesn't look great. This thing is pretty feature packed. It's got some bells and some whistles. I got mine for I think it retails for 180, but don't pay that because you can get it for 120. I got it actually at Best Buy. They have that price. I don't even think the Logitech site had it at that price. I think it was maybe $10 more expensive actually. I think they had it like 130 maybe. But yeah, so you should be able to get it for about 120 US dollars, somewhere around that. You might have to pay $10 more through the site if you can't have access to a Best Buy. Here we go, cables wrapped up in here. Let's hear that. But yeah, so it's a nice like mid-range. I saw some of the Corsairs were 170, I think 200 even, but the features that they had and the sound that it all made, just I didn't like it. It sounded weird. And I've heard good things about them. I'm not really trying to downplay them. But we got some stickers here. Got a little user manual. Got another the important safety. It needs that. All right, cool. That box is empty. It's mainly just a keyboard, and it is wired. Wireless keyboards, I guess, are fine. If you're an extreme gamer, you might want that response time of a wired. But supposedly they're getting around there now where it's like no lag. But I feel like it's always gonna be a little bit of lag. You know what I'm saying? Especially wireless. But, doing some twisty ties here. That's the fun part about all live unboxing. But we're just talking here, having a good time. Man, this thing looks good. This looks like a quality build. Like, it's not cheap and plasticky. That was that was one thing on some of the Corsair models. Like you could see the space bar just kind of like flopping around, and like everything just seemed kind of almost plasticky. It was weird. And I'm sure, you know, there's like plastics are part of these types of keyboards. Some are aluminum, some are metal. The actual like boards for them. But I don't know. There's a certain thing I wasn't really liking about them. So I went with Logitech, the G910 Orion Spectrum. I'm sorry for this plastic crackling noise. I bet that sounds great on a Blue Yeti microphone, picking up every crackle and crinkle. What is this warning? No baby choking. You can no baby. Oh, the plastic is the part. Okay, yeah, people can choke on plastic, especially babies. I guess that's a fair warning. God, this thing is big. It's a big keyboard. It's a hefty boy. It's pretty huge. It's a full size keyboard. I recently got this laptop, and having to type on the laptop really made me realize how much I don't like shallow keyboards with small digits. And then I'm actually have my laptop on a laptop stand, so it's up, so I have to kind of type like this up here all the time, and that's just not good. But I've got the laptop on the stand, so I can look up and just look straight at it without having to bend my neck down. But then my wrist started to hurt, so I was like, all right, let me look into this keyboard situation. All right, I'll talk about some features over it right now. Wow, this thing looks great. It's got that new keyboard look, like. But all right, so here's some cool features here. We have the we got 5 macro keys. Let me build it up here. Over here you got your 5 G macro keys, and you actually have up here. Didn't get a great focus on that, but that's fine. Up here you have your M keys, which are like it's like a mode where you can just set up profiles for the if I want to do like music production layout. This one, I got my gaming one. This one, I got my Discord one. Whatever. You got multiple profiles, multiple macros per each profile, so that's great if you're into gaming or doing stuff with macros. That's good. It's got this palm rest here, which I'll see how I like as that goes. As time goes. Let's see, the buttons here look like we've got on the side here, we've got like a Windows kill key. We have a mute key, and we also have a LED on and off key up here. And then this is something that I really liked. I saw in the Corsairs they had it too, but this volume wheel. Being able to scroll a volume wheel and get stuff to turn down instead of hitting down, 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 down. I like that. It's also got, the media bar controls right up here. And so you can do little play, pause, stop stuff. And then, let's see, I'm looking for other features. Other than that, pretty standard on the key layout for a Windows US keyboard. Let's move some stuff out of the way here. Do some typing and just see how that sounds on the mic over here. I'm definitely gonna have to move some stuff around and make room for this bad boy. All right. Okay, the rest feels all right. Nice. Type my name. That's pretty quiet. I like that. Let's try my login. Yeah. Okay. I'm liking that a lot. It feels good. It's nice, smooth action. You got, and some people were saying that the Roma G keys had like a grinding feel to them. I'm not feeling that at all. I'm feeling nice, smooth actuation, just going right down. If you set down, your keys gently, you're not really doing too much. But I don't want to like clack this right next to the mic because it'll probably be loud. But just get that space bar a little. So to me, that's pretty quiet. For a mechanical keyboard, I don't know if you're gonna get too much quieter than that, except for like the silent switches with double O-rings. I mean, like a standard, just this is like an old keyboard, probably membrane. That feels so much better and sounds great. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna hook it up. It's got full RGB. Oh, one of the cool systems about it too is it has this ARX dock release right here, but it's like an ARX dock that you can put your phone in, and so you have your phone chilling there. You can have your computer temperature on it. Some games are starting to use it. You could use just that to have like your Twitch chat open and just look at your phone chat. So, all in all, for me, this keyboard does a lot of things that I kind of want and need. Probably does some extra things that I don't need, but that's fine. I'm gonna play around with it some and definitely give it some good action before I come out and say I love it. But so far, that first impression that felt really good. I can't wait to get it. Can't wait to type on it. Can't wait to jump around and throw stuff at people. But yeah, so we're gonna plug it up and get the RGB going and test that out, and then I'll show that off. So stick around. All right, so we have it all hooked up now, and here's some of the lighting on it. It looks really good. It looks really clean. It doesn't like bleed out. It's not obnoxious. We'll get this camera up in there a little bit more. And, it's all fully customizable. I've been messing with the little app that comes with it, the Logitech gaming software. I'll try to get a steady shot here while I click around and mess with some of the different options. I mean, you can literally go in and just make every key individually a different color. You can just go in and swipe the whole thing and make it green if you want. Let's see, there's zones where you could have your different your different gaming stuff or music production if you just know those are the keys that you need to reach for. There's a command line, shows active game commands while you're playing a game. That's actually pretty neat. There's also the effects, which is a whole bunch of neat stuff. You can make it kind of breathe. This mode is called the star effect. It's just a bunch of little stars. Color cycle, you can get the full cycle of colors here. You can make it go faster or slower, and there's all these different I'll show you guys here. In the software, you can go around and just change everything pretty much. It's pretty intuitive. I just started clicking around and stuff started changing. It's not that hard. And there's also your effects, which you can really get in here and program stuff. Let's see, they have contrastic, bleep bloop. That's just, oh god. There's caterpillar. It's like this little guy crawls at the top at the function keys and goes back and forth, and you can either bounce back and forth or you can make it kind of random and he'll just go all over the place. Let me get out a little more. Data fall looks like some matrix type stuff where it's just like the falling keys. That's kind of neat. You have explosion, fire, just a big old fire, a lightning. Oh, that's kind of cool, just a little lightning strike. Ocean wave. I mean, there's tons of these things that I can go through and just click on, and then they're pretty customizable themselves. The other neat thing about this that I haven't gotten to talk about yet is the ARC dock release, which is back right here, and I did load that up. It's pretty cool. You can have the phone basically hooked up, and it can run little apps in the background, such as just key inputs and your stats for the game, how many times you've died and things like that. Also, I saw too with the ARC system, you can control your media all through your phone, so you could even have your phone away from the keyboard, and you can actually just control all of your media through your phone, and it's just going through the keyboard software. So I thought that was pretty cool. You can be walking around the house at any point and then just hit pause or stop on whatever you're watching. It's this is a really neat keyboard. I can't wait to use it some more. But I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff if you're looking for a keyboard and just kind of wanting to upgrade your setup a little bit. I can't recommend the Logitech G910 anymore. Unless I run into some problems here with it, I don't really see there being a reason for me to not like this one. It sounds good, feels good, it's got all this RGB stuff, and I'm digging it. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. It's a big boy.